Microsoft is preparing to officially end support for Windows 10 on 14th October 2025. If you're still running Windows 10 on your PC, now is the time to start planning your upgrade to Windows 11. Continuing to use an unsupported operating system can put your data and device at risk, exposing you to security vulnerabilities, software compatibility issues, and the lack of important updates. Unlike previous Windows versions, Microsoft has enforced stricter hardware requirements for Windows 11 to improve security, performance, and reliability. This means not all Windows 10 devices will qualify for the upgrade. Here are the official minimum system requirements to run Windows 11 according to Microsoft. Processor, 1 GHz or faster with at least 2 cores on a 64-bit processor or system on a chip, SoC. RAM, 4 GB or more. Storage, 64 GB or larger storage device. System firmware, UEFI, secure boot capable. TPM, version 2.0 trusted platform module. Graphics card, DirectX 12 compatible graphics with WDDM 2.0 driver. Display, high definition, 720p. Display, 9 or greater screen size. Internet connection. Internet connectivity is necessary for updates, Microsoft account setup, and accessing some features. Two of the most controversial requirements are TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. TPM, Trusted Platform Module, is a security chip that helps protect encryption keys and user credentials. Secure Boot, on the other hand, ensures the operating system hasn't been tampered with during startup. These features are mandatory for running Windows 11 and might require users to enable them in the BIOS settings. Well, Microsoft offers a free utility called the PCHealthCheck tool to help you determine your device is compatible for Windows 11 free upgrade or not. Download the installer file, double-click to install it. Open the tool and click the Check Now button under the Introducing Windows 11 section. The tool will run a quick assessment and let you know whether your PC can run Windows 11. If not, it will explain which requirements are not met, example, TPM or CPU. If your PC is not compatible, you may need to upgrade hardware or consider purchasing a new device in the future. Well, if your system passes the compatibility test, the next crucial step is to back up your data. While the upgrade process is generally safe and preserves your files and applications, it's always best to take precautions. Use an external hard drive or USB drive to manually copy important files like documents, photos, and videos. Use services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox to sync your essential files to the cloud. Advanced users may also create a full system image using tools like Macrium Reflect or Windows built-in backup options. When you are ready, it's time to upgrade latest Windows 11. The official way to get this is check for Windows updates. If your PC meets the requirements, the upgrade might already be available through Windows Update. Go to Settings, Update, and Security, Windows Update. If your PC is eligible and ready, you'll see a message stating, "This PC can run Windows 11. Upgrade is ready, and it's free." Click Download and Install to begin the process. This will start download required files from Microsoft server. It may take time depending on your internet speed. Once download and install complete, click on Restart. The process typically takes 30 to 60 minutes depending on system speed. Well, if Windows Update doesn't show the upgrade notification, you can manually install Windows 11 using Microsoft's Installation Assistant. It's a free and official tool designed to help users upgrade their PC's latest version. Go to the Windows 11 download page. Under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant section, click Download Now. Run the downloaded tool. Click Yes when user account control asks for permission. Accept the license terms and let the tool verify your system's compatibility again. The tool will now begin downloading Windows 11 files from Microsoft Server. Again, it takes some time depending on your internet speed. Ensure you are connected to stable internet connection. Once the download and install complete, you need to restart your PC to apply changes. You can click Restart Now or Restart Later, or Windows automatically restart after 30 minutes. That's all. You have successfully upgraded to latest Windows 11. Now again, open Settings, then Windows Update and install if new updates pending install. I hope this video helped you upgrade latest Windows 11 that offers better security, modern features, and improved performance. Feel free to share your feedback on comments below. Thanks for watching.